In this video, we will see how to use Deekshi Technologies GST software. Now create a new customer ledger in GST billing software. Click the master menu, then select the ledger creation. First, enter the party name. Next, select the group name. Now select the GST type as G, indicating that this customer is GST registered. Then enter the credit period. Now we enter the customer address details. Now enter the phone number for the customer. Next, enter the GSTIN number, which is required for GST billing. If available, you can also enter the CIN number and PAN number of the business. Next, select the state, which in this case is Tamil Nadu. You can also add the email address to send invoices and reports digitally. The short name field is used for quick identification during billing. In the delivery address section, you can enter the delivery location if it is different from the billing address. After entering all the details, click the Save button. The customer ledger is now successfully created and ready for transactions. Next, we will see how to create a new product item. First, go to the master menu and select Item Creation. Now enter the item name. Next, select the item group. Then enter the short name for the item. This helps in quick billing and product identification. Now enter the HSN code, which is used for GST classification of the product. If required, you can also enter the other language name for the item. If the item is a service, select Yes. Otherwise, keep it as No for product items. You can also define the number of units per box if the item is packed in boxes. Select the unit type, such as pieces, kilograms, or grams. Then enter the applicable GST percentage for the item. Enter the reorder level. This helps the system alert you when stock reaches a minimum level. If needed, you can also set a discount percentage. Now enter the cost price of the product. Then enter the retail price. Then enter the wholesale price. You can capture or upload the product image using the image capture or browse image options. This helps in easy product identification during billing. After entering all the details, click the Save button. The item is now successfully created and ready for billing. This is how you can easily create and manage product items in Deekshi Technologies GST billing software. Next, we will create a purchase invoice. Click the transaction menu, then select the purchase invoice. First, the system automatically generates the reference number for the purchase entry. Next, enter the bill number received from the supplier. Now select the type of purchase. Now confirm the bill date and entry date. Next, select the party name, which represents the supplier. The system automatically displays the party balance and the applicable GST type, which is CGST and SGST. In the item section, we enter the product details. Now enter the item name. The item name is ring. Now enter the quantity purchased. Now enter the wholesale rate. Now enter the retail rate. Then enter the discount percent is applied to the item. Next, enter the GST percentage. The system automatically calculates the item amount, which is displayed in the amount column. In the bottom section, additional values such as discount, round off, transport charges, or narration can be added if required. Now enter the transport details. Here the system automatically calculates the CGST and SGST tax amounts. Finally, the software calculates the net invoice amount. After verifying all the details, click the Save button to complete the purchase invoice entry. This is how you can easily record purchase transactions in Deekshi Technologies GST billing software. Next, we will create a sales invoice. Click the transaction menu, then select the sales invoice. First, the system automatically generates the bill number. Next, enter the bill book number and confirm the bill date and entry date. Now select the invoice type. Next, select the GST type. Next, select the customer name from the list. The software automatically displays the customer balance and GST type. Next, enter the GST rate type. Now we enter the product details in the item section. Enter the item name. Then enter the quantity sold as 10 pieces. The rate per item 1900 rupees. The software automatically calculates the total amount, which is 19,000 rupees. The applicable GST percentage is 3%. Now enter the transport details. Next, enter the additional customer payment details. The customer details such as name, address, GST number, and location are automatically displayed for reference. Here, the software allows multiple payment options like cash, credit, card, and check, making billing flexible and convenient for any business. After applying the taxes, the software calculates the net invoice amount, which is 19,570 rupees. After verifying all the details, click the Save button to complete the sales invoice. You can also print the invoice or generate a PDF directly from the software. This is how you can quickly generate GST compliant sales invoices using Deekshi Technologies billing software. Thank you.